What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going up how to do a diamond grip tricep extension.
And this is the Diamond Grip Tricep Extension. To maximize the support under the dumbbell, make sure that the hands are in a triangle or a diamond shape. At the bottom of each rep, make sure the elbows are locked at 45 degrees at the side to maximize the tension on the triceps. And the primary target of the exercise, the medial and lateral head of the tricep brachii. Although flaring the elbows may allow you to target the triceps, it also places your shoulders in a vulnerable position that can cause instability and injury.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a diamond grip tricep extension. Until next time.